What's up guys, it's me Geek. I'm going to test the kit lens of the Panasonic GX85, also known as Panasonic G80. This video is mostly for the kit lens 12mm to 32mm, which come with a lot of Panasonic cameras. So this I'm recording in 12mm right now. Yes, you heard me right, this is the 12mm. So now let me zoom. Now I am currently to 32mm, so this is the zoom range. 12mm, 32mm, 12mm, 32mm, 12mm, 32mm. So yeah, it was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye.